Ema Uyakwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. AYEHU Kevin Taylor audience, some of the Frema Opare, which is a mammy, Sika splash and war splash and Okwa Whiskasi. Now, Kevin in Sylvia to get after a Frema Opare on answer the Bora in Semino, let's just say. So when you subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Whatever you say, over click the subscribe button now, wabeli notification. When it's a new video, be out on also it's a ever can be. I feel we are like a video, give us a thumbs up. Now, feel share my offer for so now when you're in a war. I feel you Bora and singing. Frema Opare on the chief of staff. Now, Kevin Taylor, you may be a mammy in both elbows, so I don't know if it's a mammy cry, Nakita. This is Kana Uvia, and it is a watch this car, and no Koha, no Kuiskasi. At the amount for in names or no super say a friends a running meeting or no so it's likely to be a bit now I know can tell I worried about Sika Mami we air splashing here and there now can tell the Enchichino Atuga now yes Breno you move near KT can tell a ninety a year in Chichimo or the Atuga a year Frema Opare
now Okwa Santimemua Obawun say yes Mbabia sorry say Napo Jimmy Dodo Frema Opare. Now there's something happening in Ghana. The amount of money a Frema Opare area and the way she's splashing money around, you know, we should sit and analyze. Sibia MPP are buying wemu a year in Akufo-Addo are former appointees from the Jubilee House all the way to cabinet ministers. The way and the to me Bryan Acheampong say, yes say ofa kuti kwanso area Ghana Japade or see okuja blakwa at the documents bar me wo dying ewo East Legon me wo hotel akosombo me the beche no they see everybody say obi ejimi. Yes say obokro no o dan ewa akosombo any hotel o dan ewa East Legon there. Who cares? But you see, they don't respect you people. In the end, Bryan Acheampong say, Okuja to Ablakwa say, was our company and friend at the Rock City. No, they basically are making losses. The documents are showing. Come and prove to Ghanaians say you did not make losses. You have a board. You can make a statement. You can produce document. Or say one country. Sammy Okuja to say Otumi then the document to prove ya memman dying. Now who you Bryan Acheampong? Who here free? This statement, if it had been made by the NDC person, a minister, and Kende, and Kayena, and Kahimfubi, Ebeka said, and this is the impunity, the pure display of disrespect in the faces of Ghanaians. Because right now, no, in Kofo, we see a Jimmy, because the money that we have allowed ourselves, they see a Jimmy, they can say anything and walk. Now, one particular person, Frema Opare, so do we need to form the way this woman is dishing out money, you ask yourself, now Frema Opare, on the salary is saying, how much does she make in a year or annually? How much does she make? And the money that she's dishing out, or in the name say she wants to be vice president, or in the name say she wants some people to basically make her a running mate. You know, you question how these people made these monies. You ask yourself, are you free? Frema Opare for the past 7 years, if we put all their salaries together, Frema Opare nisika pa saying for Frema Opare to go out there, dishing out money. Now I want to a whole story on this, but I want to show you this. Share. This is Frema Opare 1. Way back April 3rd, Ashanti region, racecourse market fire. Chief of staff donate 800,000 for reconstruction. Yasu Kumasi racecourse eja toho. Frema Opare Ghana titiskan 8 billion. Say omonje enfanye reconstruction. Frema Opare is a civil servant too. She works as any person in Ghana. Now she's able to pick almost 10 billion to say monje na munfa renovate racecourse. Where is she getting all these monies from? Now, sometimes you need to ask yourself, say, Sa sika we no, ayana omunya no wen. That's why sometimes we say, now amount for we no, how much are they paid? How much money do they have sitting? Did she actually take this money from her personal account? Was it a government money? Is it money that she can account for? How did she make 800,000 Ghana to go just dish it out and say, Mediama race cost for Munji 800,000? And the reason why I'm asking this is because this woman has been doing this consistently. And the reason why I'm asking this is this woman is now in government and working, and so we need to be questioning people at this point who are being paid by the taxpayer, how much they make and how much, where they are getting their wealth from. $25 million pass. This woman goes around and she's dishing out money into me every abaisika. And I say because this was the 3rd of April. Now Frema Opare had the share out 200,000 Frema Opare to Asanteman Queen Mothers. Oma Asanteman Queen Mothers 200,000 to 2 billion. Now you ask yourself, say na mami we sika we otintam no boom boom de chichano sika no every Frema Opare monthly you trying to saying how much does she pay as in taxes, and where is she getting all these monies and throwing them out just like gifts? In a space of maybe a month, Frema Opare is spending close to 1 billion Ghana. 1 million Ghana. So we are asking, say, how much is she paid? How much does she make? Why are we not asking where this monies are coming from? If you are running personal accounts, and I said the auditor, accountant general, a church check man, and I a Bank of Ghana, where does she get all these monies from? Into Idea where we know Afe na Asante for man at your Gujum said, oh, almost per se Frema Opare ebe running mate. All because Frema Opare area Ghana for sika. And I bet you check ama ayedie imbabi wa asantiman kroni edwanum and almost says see ade ye mpe napo ejimi ye pe de obokro no kese na omedi enim. So sometimes you ask yourself, say, are these in penifo de kase omo ba fight corruption na? Are these the people we are saying say omo buy say omo na omo be protect the public purse? Into uko Kumasi, this is what she's doing. And this monies I've showed you, this 1 million Ghana cedis, this is just April, make much show other ones.
For be a wasantenia for Mantam Numu Adjune Pan Sankabeya MPP Amanyuko running mate in a day. One muni or bar or more GDA passes or buy a running mate a babwong. Kunim dear to me, I one more a dear. Adam TV in the one.
Efiri bra etu ahene ne esi ahene a ewo MPP amanyuko no mu womko opunachi ekoto aba edema mampani abegyechi Dr. Alhaji Mama Bawumia se omutu franka ema MPP amanyuko no ewo afimpinu ne adunu nan abatuo no mu no womugusu a epem so ayi frankatuni abegyechiri eno na aka ho bi ama dwadifo ma emprempre omo wasante mantemu ene buru mantenu esusu di ama ekuyi se ebeya anka omo embo oba edin se frankatuni abegyechiri emfama MPP amanyuko no se NDC fo ayi oba MPP fo nso ehia oba yepe oba wo free asantememu a oba wo watima ma edwadifo oba wo watima ma ema oba wo watima ma anuanom oba bia sori waka wabo adwadifo ma sabe ye kasa ye ka ebro adwene ne ntiase so sama wo mu bi ane pese wo mu yi wo mo oba wo wabadaye oba wo betie yesu frɛ oba ye kona nima ye betimi akɔ na wo mu adwadifo ma ni etimi ye fa ye tuma pen fra just I say kokro motiwe si anyi oba ma ye ya yan tu abane ma NPP da and ebe kwa akɔtɔ ma de wo yi oba no na oba ne ba oba betie yesu frɛ ye wonimdie e ma bi wonimdie o ye wonimdie edwom a ye we adwa ye de no aye profit and loss and so enwa ya no yetumi hu se ye wonimdie ya ma me che wa akora titiru hwe oba besia wotumi ati dwam a ama ma ana nkura anyanyim na twam MPP de ade aye pe e ba 2 years ni ye de to Obama obi ado ye kira MPP anem etine ye sense afi omo ye woba obetumi asu atie ya hawo ene ye sufre ne ya dadwene so aye ne dadwene ya video o ma mo ba ma de a me NDC kwa me to Obama ne da me to Obama ne da na me kokro moti we die afi we die ye nya oba nya sesaye me ma ne ye ba ye nya hwe ye ntwataw ye hwe me ma ye nya oba wochirem se ohwe emma modimbo a wo mo ebon wo mampani na dankwa Akufo-Addo abamboya na ekire se emma enso betimi ababaye mampani abedi akire amansan chia me Kwadwo bi mreku amanbo asante mantemu.
problem ne ho no yo ye maame no mo ye maame no mbesiwa mpenifo ye tia ese we mu de omo nko school da we mu de nipa bi na da omo we mu de nipa bi na ka atsem bi to omo tirim omo koto nkwase aba da bi o de bia me ka kire bo ha nipa bi wo Ghana we have to leave them behind and move. And the be obi better TV so say, oh, Ghana for the a lack of education. So boy, there's nothing like lack of education. The people are omoton kwasiaba no, omoni da ho no moton kwasiaba. Oh, maamefo, edwadifo, nyoma mu yedin a omo no omo bre. Yeti aka say nyina ena edwadifo ena omo beto omo. They don't care. Some of them inform ho. Ono no ni situations isi ano se sika ne hye na ote MPP ma ope and the Frema Opare wia 800,000 to 1 million abecha momo inti yemma oba so embe contest ene Bawumia enye Bawumia running mate inti Frema Opare no ene omu hia no we mu no without due respect de omu be di nkwa na hia omu enye wo na wote wo na wo dwene Ghana mpumtuo ho Ghana enkoi enim se enkon kan na emma obia ho ha they don't care about those things oh. And it's the Biam Kacham say betna me, I can tell you something. Me ntia say Obia with Jimmy with all due respect. Onye na adwene say obey na adwene ye abwa Ghana. Me, I don't care about those people. I care about people who care about their future. And don't underestimate what I'm about to say. Whether you like it or not, MPP and NDC, they are big political parties. They have followers. Inti so betna memo adwene will say there was some group people no kasachiro. We need to be speaking to everybody. The why na adwene say opese onya emwano na wafa no ho adwene pa na onya sa amwano because so utie ye ma menom a omo asanteman dwom na utie de firi oma no ba it is not about omompomdin o it is not about sewia na egu na epro no it is not about edian afare na egu no sebio ya maame wo mjawe dodo no yare wo mo ho yare bo mo a na wotwi bi ebe ye but they don't care about that oh. They only care say yes MPP bi wo ho ye di akire into tie omano asema it is not about omompomuden omabrabo ebekoso omudwetira enhye omomba ombenya bebi agina oman ne galamsey na esu betwama santema asase agina ho de ehia omo ne se MPP bekoso so it is not about intimikacho say nipa kuo ni bi Ghana they don't care about the betterment of this country your nkofu bi okrom ha they don't really care about Ghana say Ghana bekoso as far as say omo de ebeye ye no eno nko na hi omo eno jama kache Ghana for say let us forge forward. Let us leave those people who don't care omo amoye selfish no let us leave them behind. Me, I am not here to convince anybody say what am my MPP inti hwasetrim na men tutu ano na men churchill that be I am here to talk to reasonable people. Obi onim nyansa ne obi a otena se dwene. Ohwe na brabo mu enra na ohwe na brabo mu nne. So I am not here because mamifo ya sebi omo kasa ayi. Omo nyina chen me, omo nyini chen me. Omo nyina betuma awo me. Omo nyina so nsem omo ka no. Obi tumi say eye de edwuma mu di no eye de profit and loss. They know. And in China, because Uko Ghana baby, a lack of education. It is not lack of education. A deliberate. TMA. There's nothing like lack of education. Oh, Omomoto Abama MPP. Saoka sa na unim Ghana politics. Nipa dodo omoto Abama MPP. Sebi otitiri wa santimemu no omoni da ho. They are not foolish. They are not stupid. They know what they are doing because adiebi debi mutimu say yedie anya nia ekronimbo. It does not matter the obeka chire the kind of policies obe introduce chire no nyoma beba ne ho ato no obetuma sisewia obetuma ekejetia emba omoka say kejetia no omugina obetuma esewia obetuma ekumewu obetuma mamponsio obetuma ye kwan obetuma ye airport obetuma si chip compound e-blocks. They don't care, they don't want to believe, they don't want to understand. Eye adebia ye dia wo mo eye adebia omumu bi no e dia to omutrim se sebio ejanan ne edi na wutu afokrase antwe ho a ye dia pese edi ejanan no. So I don't sit here to say there are some people in Ghana me pese me change your madwene. No, they wejimi they oya na adwene se obedwene obanyansafo betena se ahwe na brabom ahwe ono ankasa na independently the air cost one brabom ebeboa no eno. So everything boils down to tribal politics. because mami fo eka say man te se obi ma reason bi a adekudie ntia MPP nyi oba na obadaye oba but omantumi amami reason bi a ni nyina ne say MPP udi koyi oba bonsam koyi oba kromfo ye beto ama ho. Now you get it. Now in their conversation or in their statement, you could see say a competition between NDC and MPP Emma Omo where embrewa imbesiwa sebi ododo no enyo menopause sebi ododo no sebi omo ye adwuma den busa ho se na adwuma no omo ye no omo pemfa so na so omo pemfa so. They don't care. Busa ho, do they care about the profits they make? They don't care. That is why 2024 election is very important, because ye nipa dodo bi Ghana they have decided to choose the abaya enye. Your Akufo-Addo Ghana, imagine say they will choose bad. They will choose bad leadership. They will choose NPP. They don't care. Baby, a chronicle. In this, you are not supposed to be like those people, because Akufo-Addo, you cannot change them. And those people, bad decisions in them are obre. On say and the injuma bebregu because ebia woto my NDC but nipa na o take that bad decision na and the or down what bad decision mu bre no emfa no ho no wona sesi a wo bre wona wani mu guase wona and the o ton wo dan wona and the wo yire eja wo wona and the yapam wo free banking sector wona and the wo dwetre ahye. They don't care. Some of our people are like robots. And you see the funny thing, sa nipa say no every day they vote because omono vote it is a kotokone has match. Anytime catch Ghana ni be say you don't have to mess out 2024 elections. Every single vote it will cancel a foolish vote. So sadia, then you have done your part. So we are Ghana ni na say opese oboma Ghana koswa also say one vote the wise vote for the NDC it will cancel one foolish MPP vote. Into majority of yani enim nyansa no ye pe Ghana ye no say nyina make sure say one vote ni bekwa it will cancel a lot of foolish votes, because nipa dodo ahu omo sa no mokasa sa no they don't miss voting day. Ada ye to aba no omo sori anopa de omo kan say monko to aba o na wonafo ni tugum. It is not about the development. Abena it is a fight between a Kuobi, Nipebi, and saying Ghana. It is not a developmental idea. Inti Nipadudo said, and they have thousands and millions. They don't care about Ghana and Kanye. They don't care about the dollar rate. They don't care about schools MBA. They don't care about hospitals INC. They don't care about Insu. They don't care about Aremeyaw Anas. They don't care about corruption. They don't care about They only care about say MPP winning against Ghana for. So Osorianopa election day 7 December. Oko incredible biswa titru akamemwa santimemwa. Obete so bie na no. Mona monkoto aba muti haya de monkoto aba yatesa wonafo ni tugum. In their head, it is a battle between Asantifo and Yanwanafo. It is not about development. It is not about the Nipana or Kotuamano, the Obeyamano. As far as what tweetia NDC, NDC win, that is all. Until Nipa Kubo Ghana, they want the destruction of this country. They don't care. Yet to Abawi for 4 years, Oba Konobi Dangusha party shirt. Adaya, a yen de say the MPP number power because the nipa bi on the ton ade odwom no oyanhunani into o hyehyetin mana ne ya meken na dwuma egu
yo di for winning and some ya KT and two jawo bro and some bebre so Frema Opare what just about music no hefa na wonya no a was splash sika here and there ade na no na ya Kevitila ade and some dollar atuga because GC news so and wo hwe no say you subscribe ya na say over subscribe no like it. Now watch a video no ama ofofro so enya bi na wahwe also betimi akire wadwen afaye and some way you know I will comment box ni mobati nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.